Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we are hopping on the I'm cold girl trend. I'm cold, icy, I don't know. To me, TikTok has all these trends, but they're just redoing the trends that people did back in the day. Like, to me, this is a winter makeup look. That's it. But we're gonna call it what the trend is called now. So it's the cold makeup look. Anyways, it's really pretty. I love all the different looks. I mean, there's some that are like a little bit more on the glam side, and there's some that are true to the actual trend that's going around. So today I'm gonna be doing my version of the look and try to stay on task. I know we're gonna go really matte today, and that's it. But yeah, let's get into today's makeup. So per usual, my brows are already done, but I'm gonna go in with some eye makeup. So I'm going to dip into this 35X Big Primpin palette. Yeah, this is a really good palette, and I don't think it gets enough recognition. Before I go into color, I do have a little bit of primer on, so I'm just gonna buff it out. Okay, the only thing I hate about the Morphe palettes is they don't be having no mirror. So I got my little cat mirror from Halloween like 2 years ago, and let's get started. So I'm just taking this shade really quick. This is called Volume Up, and just blending this out. You guys, this is gonna be like a really simple eye makeup look. And really my purpose in adding this color is just so we have just a little color on the eyes. There's a lot of people that are doing like nothing on the eyes, but I need something, okay? Now we're just going into the next eye. So like I said, eyeshadow is really simple today. The only thing I'm gonna do now is put a little shimmer on my eye. So I'm just putting a little bit of shimmer on my eyelid. This is called Born to Stun. So just applying this. So I love how this is giving like a little bit of a champagne effect. Very cute. So now I'm just gonna take this eyeliner and line my eyes really quickly. And you guys, this is the Idole liner, Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner by Lancome. I'm still trying to see if I actually like this liner or not. I used it in my last video and it was like, eh. So I thought I'd give it another chance. And then for mascara today, I'm gonna try the Tarte Maneater mascara. I've never tried this mascara before. I just got it in the Ulta sale. So it's very interesting looking. I feel like the wand is so thick and that bothers me. The reviews on this mascara are very good. So overall, I feel like this mascara is pretty good. It's not better than the Benefit Cosmetics mascara that I use, but I feel like this is a close second. Okay, so let me put my lashes on real quick and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using my Takara Brianna lashes in the style Double Tap. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to start on the face now that I put my lashes on. So let's prime my face first. I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty primer. This is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base Primer. So this primer should help me achieve the matte look. For me, this is one of the best primers to help with the matteness. I swear, like, I feel like I can always see the blurred effect when I use this primer. So for foundation today, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way matte 24-hour foundation. I have the shade Honey. I haven't used this in a while, so I hope the shade is still good. Not going to be caking my face allegedly today, because I don't want it to be like too caked up. But I do have some blemishes that I want to cover today. And luckily, this foundation is still working for me. So I feel like the foundation is looking really good. I'm just taking this wet beauty blender. I sprayed it with some Mario Badescu rose water spray. Really just patting this foundation in to make sure that it doesn't look too cakey. You guys, I feel like everything's looking really good so far. So next, blush I feel like is really important for this cold girl makeup look. If you've seen any of the TikTok videos, the blush, like they kind of go ham with it, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna be taking this Fenty Beauty rose quartz stick, and I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time. So this is a little bit dry, so I'm just going to spray my brush. And now I'm just adding a little concealer. For this, I need a beauty blender. So to set my under eye, I'm gonna go in with this Mercier translucent powder, and this is in the shade Rose. So I'm just pressing this powder into my face. Now I'm just brushing off some of that powder. So now that my face is set, I do want to bring a little warmth back into my face with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Matte Bronzer. I'm just going to push a little of this into my skin. I'm also going to be taking my Sephora Microsmooth powder in the shade Tan, just to set the rest of my face. So now I'm going to go in with some blush. This is the blush by Nars in the shade Orgasm. And I'm being very generous with this. And then I'm adding it to my nose as well. I want to give like that rosy effect, so I'm going as pink as possible. I'm also going to be lining my eyes with the Jumbo Stick by NYX. So now we got like a little under eye frost situation going on. Very, very cute. I love this look, but I feel like I need some bottom lashes, so let me get my mascara. Okay, you guys, so it's time for the lips, and I know people are trying to do like the whole chapped lips thing. However, even in the wintertime, I don't care. I'm not gonna have chapped lips, so I'm not going to go for a chapped per se, but yeah, let's just see what I can come up with. So I'm gonna actually take some blush and pat it. Now I'm just taking like a brush to blend it in. Now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Ice. Actually, it's the shade Cold Hearted. It's the Fenty Ice It's the Ice Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Cold Hearted. So this is a plumper that I've never used before, and I heard it tingles a little, so let's check it out. Okay, so the lip gloss, I understand why everybody's obsessed with it. If you like stuff that tingles or is like Carmex-ish minty, this lip gloss is perfect. Like, I probably need to start carrying this in my purse because it just feels really good. All right, let's set our face. I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. So you guys, I am done with the look today, and look, I added this cute little fur. I don't have any earmuffs, cry cry cry, tear tear tear, and I didn't feel like going to go purchase any, so I thought I had this in the closet, and it goes, like, it just goes with the whole, you know, little winter girl aesthetic. What did you guys think of the makeup look? I think it's definitely just winter makeup, but if we want to call it cold girl makeup, then we'll do that. I definitely think that I went more glowy than icy. The white in the waterline definitely brought it back to icy, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want me to create next. If there are any other TikTok trends you guys want me to try out. But other than that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.